Hello everybody, welcome here to the Future Green City Congress in the beautiful city of Utrecht. Are you ready to build a city? Okay. Let me share something about the program, because the program is filled with 200 inspiring sessions and there's more than 400 speakers.
Because we cannot allow us to design cities from one perspective. That's why I'm so happy that so many people from 58 countries are here today. With all these smart people, I guess we will manage.
This event is important because we face a lot of challenges. I think in this Future Green Cities event, a lot of these challenges are brought together.
I really like the debate. I like the opening and meeting other people, all kind of disciplines coming here.
I think what is very important that as a government you have a long-term and unwavering vision of where do you want to be in a city in the future.
In my body to make the world greener.
Istanbul is very crowded city and we have big challenges. We are learning a lot of lessons and best practices. For example, Sponge City, it's a very good example and we would like to also apply in our city.
But it's much more important to ensure that you've got the right plants in the right place.
The challenges that we face are coming fast and rapidly.
75% of the infrastructure that's needed for cities by 2050 doesn't even exist today.
Yeah, I think it's important to keep on sharing knowledge, to learn from each other, and of course it triggers more innovation. I always believe in collaboration, so it's how can we collaborate to create a greener city.